In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subitem in Monday.com. If you're organizing work inside a board and want to break a main task into smaller parts, subitems are a great way to do that. They help you keep related details grouped under one parent item, which makes your board easier to manage and easier to be teased. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to turn on the subitem option from your board so you can start using it right away. To begin, open your Monday.com board and look toward the top area of your columns. What you're looking for is the three-dot menu near the column section. This menu gives you access to extra board and column options that aren't always visible at first glance. Once you find it, go ahead and click on the three dotted line menu. When that menu opens, take a moment to look through the available options. You should see an option labeled Add Subitem. This is the setting that allows you to create a subitem structure under your main items. Click on Add Subitem to continue. As soon as you do that, Monday.com will enable subitems on the board. This means each main item can now contain smaller tasks or supporting entries underneath it. That's especially useful if you're managing projects with multiple moving parts, tracking stages within a larger task, or assigning smaller actions that belong under one main objective. One helpful tip here is to think of your main item as the big task and the sub-items as the smaller steps needed to complete it. Keeping things organized this way can make progress tracking much clearer for you and your team. It also helps reduce clutter, since you don't need to create separate top-level items for every small detail. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're clicking the correct three-dot menu near the column area, since Monday.com has several menus in different places. A quick check can save you some confusion, and that's it. Once you click Add Subitem, the feature is added to your board, and you're ready to start structuring your work in a more detailed and organized way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly learn how to add a sub-item in Monday.com.